This is the 29th floor. It is a great view. Hey, there's another lift. Let's ride it. And now into the next list, which are the lifts that steps to the top floor. Let's ride them. Now that we have arrived at the 30th floor, it's explore time. Is the Olive Garden is a type of an Italian restaurant. Well, but this is just fictional, not mentioned to be in real life. But this is a very great restaurant. It's very awesome, a very awesome restaurant in the top floor of the first building, which with all of these out to 67 lifts and even the subs lift. But I hope the left lift is indicating 30 right now. Let's see that. Yes, it does. It is indicating floor 13 in a while I was in the other lifts riding it then. That's very great to hear. Let's get back to these lifts if they are indicating 30 again. And now to the next list, which are the lifts that steps to the shopping centre floors. and this and the other floors that are not the non-shopping center floors. Let's ride these lifts. Sorry about that. What's here in the 15th floor? Nothing. Just to be this crap. Getting sick in the camera. Do not rotate most of the time. Let's get back down to the lifts. I hope the lift is indicating 15. Yes, it is. Let's go to 1. And now, moving on, we are there a ramp. Let's see what it is. It's a ramp to the other building, but to go on the 2nd floor. And it is blocked. Let's enable gravity. It is a block ramp. Ugh, it's so freaking stupid. Anyways, moving on, we got out of that dead end ramp, which is a no. Anyways, we have the door that is crossing to the other building, which is the building of the car park. Let's go through the automatic door that is right there. Moving on, we have some 4 lifts. There are multi-67 are there for the car park, and is also glass lifts. Let's ride them. Enabling gravity ride in progress. These are non-glass lifts. Those lifts right there were non-glass lifts. Very awful. Awful because non-glass lifts are very awful. Except for the service lifts. Well, but glass lifts are very awesome. Let's get moving on to the rest of the tour. And then we have more lifts, which are the next lifts, which are 2 speed door lifts, that they are non-glass lifts. Let's ride them! I never suspected that the two lifts come. Very strange. Let's try this one. And next, we have a very door which is nothing behind here. And you have another door which is another exit of the building. Let's go over here. Let's go through this passage. And we have a block light. Ugh. There's a dead end. And no exit there. I'll enable gravity and let's buy these non-glass lifts. Huh. There's no way. Very awful. I just remember that I lifted this lift here. Well, I'm going to ride this non-glass lift. And now, let's go through this automatic door again to get out of the building. And now, moving on, here we have the tower of a 50 floors tower.